Hello guys, where am I? There's not aloe vera plants. However, plants, aloe vera plants are also there. Radhe Radhe guys, Jai Mata Di. So with this plant, right, grow more plants in life. Make sure you have greenery everywhere you go, in your campus, anywhere, right? And yes, get your courier as soon as possible. The courier would say, it's what you would say, forever living products, India. Yeah? If in case you're in India, if in case in any country you are, right? Meow, Anio, Konnichiwa, Guten Morgen, Donser, Buongiorno. So understand as per your requirement, what you can do is whenever in any building, anywhere outside you are at your home, go register, fill your form, and complete your KYC. First thing is KYC. Before you enter inside the building, anywhere you go in life, right? You do KYC. We also have more than 4,000 stores at present. And if in case you visit there, you need to make sure you complete your KYC before you even enter inside the store, right? This way will be easy for you to be productive in your life, and any penny you spend, you'll get something for it. So, Jai Shri Ram Ji, right? I am at RMZ, Concentrix, Nesto, many brands I can see. ANP Housing. So I'm promoting all of you. Please make sure you keep my A, B, C, D now grade system works, right? So this is where I work, right? This is what I'm doing. Along with that, yes, of course, Startup Lanes. That's my another profile where I work as venture partner to make sure I can support India, Bharat. Anyone has got an idea, I'll help you with your revenue, growth, IPO stage. We've already hit more than 5 IPOs. More than 5 IPOs are already in pipeline. And along with that, best is 400 CR already funded out of the accounts into the accounts of almost 136 startups. So you can also come along with your startup, right? And if you come with your startup, make sure, yeah, be like, get this building in UPI, yeah, I would say in UPI transaction. So if you get such building in UPI transaction, gift me one, yeah, gift me one too, so I can open my network marketing MLM, yeah, MLM, multi-level marketing. Yes, design, yeah, from startup lanes. I can also get from them. Reason being, I am part of HHSD, right? So my brand is, remember, HHSD. So you can join HHSD by following me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Keep making videos like me and making sure at Ramji, Jai Shri Ramji, Jai Viranguli, guys. So Jai Guruji, Om Namah Shivaya, Shiv Sahai, Om Namah Shivaya, Shiv Sahai. Eid is also coming, celebrate. The moon is up there, so but Eid is there. Please make sure you enjoy and let us also enjoy. How? By working, yeah, I'm working in the night, so it's American organization, Forever Living Products. So remember what matters most, forever. Why? The power of forever is love. So golden opportunity is at your door. So please enjoy before I hit Palam again from Gurugram.